Especially in a lab setting, I've learned to collaborate better with people.
I knew that it would be really beneficial for me to start my first year of high school with a class I was comfortable with.
We also have very, I would say advanced labs that help us understand the topics.
What's important to me is that when kids graduate, they're prepared to do whatever they want to do next. College, a career. In our science program, there's plenty of opportunities to learn the core science and plenty of opportunities for advanced study.
Regardless of which path they take, they're going to experience all the major sciences over the course of their years here at school. It might just be a personal preference of which class that they decide to take as a freshman.
Since I wanted to do something in the healthcare field in general, I think bio and chem were definitely good classes to end out with and take as APs. A lot of my friends took AP Physics or are taking AP Physics. They want to do things like engineering or other professions like that.
Working with a group of kids, especially like in chemistry, because we did like so many labs, it was like nice to collaborate with a group of kids. It was nice to talk with other people rather than just like my own thoughts.
Last year I decided to take biology because in middle school it was one of my favorite classes, and I knew that it would be really beneficial for me to start my first year of high school with a class I was comfortable with.
Students learn best when they're having their own thoughts and their own skills being utilized, and that I think is what allows for more meaningful learning as opposed to just memorization or going through the motions.
Some of the most fun things I did in physics was we had a spring lab where we were trying to measure the frequency of the spring, and it was just a fun lab. As well as we had a lab that was about the impact of a car, and then we had to make our own car with a stopper to absorb the impact of the crash.
Starting out with physics was really good for me because I'm not very strong with the mathematic part of science, so getting that out of the way, and then it prepared me well for chemistry. And since I want to major in biochem, I think just knowing bio and chem most recently, having those the most fresh in my brain is definitely the right way to go.
There's no right or wrong answer. It's really about what does that child want at that moment in time. Choose when and where you want to excel in your math skills. Choose when and where you want to present your vernacular skills, your linguistics.
Have the student talk to their friends, see what path that they're going to take, and honestly what interests them. Both pathways are wonderful choices, so whatever they choose and fits their learning style best is great.
There are high expectations for students. The teachers have pretty high expectations for themselves. There's plenty of options for anyone.